I'm Sharon and welcome to KG.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some mac and cheese using my vegan cheese sauce from my last video with a little bit of Korean twist using vegan kimchi. So we'll call it kimchi mac and cheese that's all plant-based. And it's a very simple version that only takes about 20 minutes if you already have this vegan cheese sauce. So keep on watching and let's get started. So for the ingredients for today, we're gonna need some macaroni. I'm using the gluten-free option today, and some vegan cheese sauce from the last video, and well-fermented vegan kimchi. I will put the link to the recipe video down below. I'm using the olive oil today, but you can use any other cooking oil of your choice. And soy sauce, I'm using tamari today, so it's gonna be a gluten-free recipe. Some gochujang, but if you don't have gochujang, the Korean hot pepper paste, you can just double the soy sauce. And some sea salt to boil the macaroni with later. Some green onions and some pepper and maybe extra salt later to taste, and that's really it. I have the water boiling here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and boil this macaroni with some sea salt for about 7 to 8 minutes. So while the pasta is boiling, we're gonna stir fry the kimchi and get things ready. So 2 teaspoons of olive oil and some green onions. This is over a low heat, so you can use medium-low to low heat. Just going to saute it for 1 to 2 minutes until the oil is nicely infused with the green onion flavor. Okay, now we can add the kimchi, gochujang, and soy sauce. And we're going to saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes over low heat, low to medium-low heat. Oh, perfect timing. We have the pasta ready, the macaroni ready, so I'm just going to drain it. But I'm going to save a little bit of pasta water. Okay, I'm adding the cooked macaroni and the cheese sauce. Oh, it smells so good. Wow. I don't think I need to add the pasta water. I think it's good. You can have a taste and see if you need more salt. How perfect. This is perfect for me. I'm just going to add a pinch of pepper. And that's it. So there you have vegan kimchi mac and cheese. And of course, we could have sprinkled this with some breadcrumbs and shredded vegan cheese and pop in the oven to broil for a couple of minutes. But even without that extra step, it's good as is. But you could always add that step if you like. And I sprinkle this with some green onions and black sesame seed and little bit of kimchi seasoning powder that I got from Amazon. This is magical. This is so flavorful, so you can sprinkle some to add some flavor. And this would make a great side, snack, or even a meal on its own, so it's great. And if you've never tried kimchi and cheese combination, you should definitely give it a try. They're like best friends. They go so well together. So this is vegan mac and cheese with kimchi. I hope you enjoyed my recipe today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!